Alright folks, today we're at the Cascade Creek Trail. We're going to head towards the Agnes Vale Falls. This is 0.52 miles with 500 some feet of elevation. And we'll see what the falls are all about. Yeah, this is where we're at. Check it out. We're sandwiched in by 14,000 foot peaks right here. Can't remember which one's which. We got Princeton, I think is where that snow is up there. That's Mount Princeton. This other one, I cannot remember. Gorgeous. You can hear there's another waterfall up the road and I can hear it just raging. It's like a series of cascades. It's right off the edge of the road, so we'll go check that out here in a minute, but we're gonna cruise on up to this Agnes Vale Falls real quick. Oh yeah. Yeah, so it looks like there's an old railroad grade you can hike along this valley over here. Right over there. They got this really old picture here when they were cutting through the snow. Check that out. Oh my gosh. All right. There's nothing but tons of granite chunks everywhere. Hummingbirds buzzing around. And ponderosa and pinyon pines. And this whole thing looks like the mountain was just like blown apart. There's just pieces of rock everywhere. A few old burned up trees. It's crazy though. It's just bits and pieces of rock everywhere you look. Other than the forest. Pretty interesting. Haven't seen any kind of mountains like this before. I mean, literally. Just looks blown up. Anywho. This is great, man. This is great. Falls that way. Loop this way. Interesting. What should we do? Let's go check this out real quick. Cascade Creek Crossing. Boreal toads. Okay. Right on. Does it get any better than that? Dang, dude. We're forecasting some rain later, so got a few clouds rolling in. What do we have here? Oh, there we go. Mount Antero. 14,269. Summit not visible. Oh, look at these birds. They're like orange, yellow, and black. Oh, there he goes. There he is, right there. All right, we doubled back. We're going left. Might come back down on this section where it says it's a loop. But for now, we're going this way. Hummingbirds everywhere. We were watching them while we were eating breakfast. There was also a deer right by our window. It's so cool. I can't get enough of this. Friggin' awesome. Okay. Look at this channel. Is this man-made, guys? What do you think? I don't know. It's so deep. Looks like someone dozed it open, but I don't know. Maybe the force of that water is so great that it carved a little channel here. This is wild.
Wild.
So it's looking like we got to double back and find our way to get over there and then hike the rest of the way up to it, because you can see her way back up in there. Anyways. All right, I just scrambled across the creek down that little bank right there. And now, just trying to pick up what resembles a trail. I think I found it. Alright, I'll give this hike an A+. Short and sweet, awesome views, awesome waterfall. What's not to love, right? One more time. This mountain is too gorgeous not to grab another shot. You see that big avalanche groove over there is pretty cool. All that ice.
How do you say the name of this mountain?
Mount Antero.
Antero.
They said you can't see the summit from over here though.
Yes.
Holy cow, dude. Those fighter jets were so low. Right in between the mountains right here. So loud.
I thought it was thunder.
Holy shit. Imagine having that job, man. Those guys are just out. Oh, let's go buzz the 14ers today. Oh my god. Literally came out of nowhere, man. Oh, dude.
Did you get one there?
That was ear piercing.
I know, they were like right there.
I didn't get it turned on in time, so you guys didn't get the full like blast of sound, but it was deafening. There was 2 of them. Totally unexpected. I wonder if they're gonna come back by. Holy crap. Okay then.
Epic hike day.
All right, so the last hike video, we had a bear scare. This time we had fighter jets. 2 things you don't normally get. So that's great. Jeez. Okay. Got to the end and turned around and bam, what's up?
I think I have service.
Snow caps.
I have LT.
This thing's massive. It goes way down the hill over here, up through here, and then way up and around the corner up there.